guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I manage my 2 jobs and being a full-time student. So I'm gonna share with you guys 9 tips. I wrote down 9. I really tried hard to think of one more, but I really just couldn't. So it's not 10, but it's 9 tips that will help you. If you have 2 jobs or even 1 job and you are a full-time student. So the first one that I have for you guys is definitely time management. I know everybody may say that, but it's like so true. You should really get yourself a planner or a nice big calendar. I use a nice big calendar, and I like write down everything for the month so that I won't forget any due dates or any appointments that I have, or like when I actually have to go into work, because that's gonna be bad. Like one day I actually didn't go to work because I forgot that I had to work. I had so much going on at one point, and it was just actually missed work. But we don't want that to happen. Like that's why I got this big calendar, and I write down all my schedules, all my due dates, all my appointments for the month, so I don't forget. And it's like right there by my desk, so I look at it every day. So that's a really good thing for you guys to do, time management. So another thing is, I wouldn't suggest pulling all-nighters at all. You need to get all the sleep you can get. When I have things that are due like the next day, and I have waited like the day before to get them done, I know, like in my mind, I know when my classes are and I know when things are due. So I'm gonna do them, like even if I wait till the last minute, I'm gonna get my sleep first because my health is important, and then I'm gonna do my work. Because if I try to do my work while I'm tired, it's going to be a crap job, and I'm going to get a bad grade on it anyway. So say your class is at 2 o'clock and it's like 10 o'clock at night. What I would do is do all the work that I can do, like all of the hard stuff. If it's studying, like study the main materials. If it's a project, do all of the main points or whatever. And then when I wake up the next day, like I don't wake up late, I wake up really early. So I would suggest that you wake up early and then finish it then. Like don't stay up all night, because that's just not cool. Like that's just not okay to me. I would not stay up all night to do homework. And that may sound like, oh my gosh, you don't care about school then, but that's like totally the opposite, because I would rather be up and attentive to like do the work right than stay up all night, be sleepy, and do a crap job. So that's just me. The third thing I have for you guys is to eat right. If you eat crap food, like trash, like fast food every day, then your body is gonna feel like crap. Why am I talking like this? I don't know, but your body's gonna feel like trash, and you're not gonna have like the motivation or the drive or like the energy, for that matter, to do anything. So here at KSU we have the Commons, and we have like other eateries that offer healthy options. So I would suggest that you eat at your Commons, or you make food that's healthy. I mean, it doesn't even have to be like salad every day. You can make like rice and chicken, and that's better than a burger and fries, honestly. Like I just suggest that you eat right, eat your fruits. I don't like vegetables, so I can't even say to eat your vegetables, but I like cabbage, so find the vegetable that you like and eat that one, because your body needs energy so that you can function and do things right. Yeah. So like I said, if you don't eat right, you wouldn't be motivated. So that's the 4th tip that I have for you guys, is to stay motivated. Like see your end goal. Like for me, working 2 jobs and going to school, it's like so boring. Not boring, wow. It's so annoying, and it gets so stressful sometimes, and I'm just like, I don't want to go to class today, don't want to go to work today. Can I call out? Can I do this? Can I do that? But I'm just like, no, if I call out, I won't have any money, and then I can't go shopping, and then I can't get this, and I can't get that. And if I don't go to class, I'm wasting my money. So it's like, no, don't waste money. Can't do that at all. So it's like, if I don't go to class, I'll fail. I won't get a degree. I'll never like graduate, I won't have money in the future if I don't graduate, because I'll just be a bum and I don't want to do that. So you got to stay motivated. You got to see the end goal. Be like, I'm going to work today. I'm going to class today because I want money and I want my education so I can be successful. Okay? You want to be successful. That's the goal, right? That's my goal. I want to be successful and I want to have money. So that's why I do what I do. Okay? So, tip number 5 for me is to stay clean, because if you come into your room and it's just a mess, for me at least, I get a headache. I'm stressed out. I'm like, why is this so dirty? I can't even do my homework because I don't want to be in here. I mean, I can admit that sometimes my room will be dirty because of all the stuff that I have going on, but I try to keep it clean so that when I want to do my work in my room, I feel tranquil and it's not like a stressful environment for me, because you do not want to do work in a stressful environment. That's just bad. So keep your room clean, guys, so that you won't be stressed. Basic. Number 6 is to plan downtime. So if you're working all the time and you have classes and homework, you're not going to have time to be with your friends or to watch TV or to like relax. Just time for yourself. So that's why when you have your planner or you have your calendar, you want to like pencil in times to where like you can do those things. And I know it's kind of like, oh, when somebody asks you to do something, it's like, let me check my schedule. But honestly, you know those ladies in like the real professional world, when people ask them to do stuff, they're like, let me check my schedule. And you want to be a professional lady or gentleman, so that's what you got to do. You got to pencil in your downtime. That's what I do, at least. All my friends hate me because I can never hang out, but they understand. They understand. Okay, number 7 is to multitask. So whatever job you do get, try to make sure that it's not like a high stress job or a job where you have to be like on your feet running around all the time. So I have a job where I work in the mall. It's an interior design job, and I sit there until somebody comes to me. So when I'm sitting there, I have my laptop, I have my notes, and I have what I need to get done, and I'm just sitting there doing it until, you know, of course my job will be coming first because I'll be at work, but when a customer comes to me, I divert my attention to them, and then when they leave, it's back to my homework. So I suggest, if you have a job that's really chill, to do work at your job. I mean, if you're allowed to. I don't want you guys to get fired, but if you have a lot of downtime at work, why not just get your work done while you're getting paid? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's a really good idea in my opinion. But and then number 8 would be reward yourself. So, you know, after a long day of school or after a long day of work, not every day obviously, because then it wouldn't be a reward, it would just be like a routine, but after like a long day where you know you've done like so great, you did great on a test, or you got a sale at work or whatever, maybe you can like get yourself some Chipotle or your fast food, your favorite fast food or whatever. Just reward yourself. What I do is I just go online and I go like shopping, but I don't check out because, once again, the money. Yeah, I mean, sometimes I'll check out. Like if it's a real big reward and I deserve it, I will check out and I will buy myself some stuff. And I would get some Chipotle, or I would just buy myself some nice food or whatever. Like just little mini rewards, just to be like, you're doing great, sis. You're doing great. And then number 9 is just pray. Like, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Like, you can do it, sis. You got it. I'm ugly. I didn't even put on makeup today, but I'm serious. Like, just pray, keep God first. He will do it for you. Honestly, like if you can't do it, if you're finding that it's just too stressful and you just can't do it, just sit down and just have a talk with your creator and you will get through it. You guys will be fine. Because I'm fine. I mean, I'm stressed out all the time, most times, but I'm still living, and I'm gonna be successful. So that's just, you just gotta do it, honestly. So thank you guys so much for watching. Those were the 9 tips. The 9 tips that I had for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if it did help you, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.